Hi, in this video we are going to take a bus from Jurong Bird Park to Boon Lay, and further from Boon Lay we are going to travel to Bukit Batok. So actually there is only one stop in Jurong Bird Park and only one bus will come in Jurong Bird Park. So from there we can go to only one destination, that is Boon Lay. So this Boon Lay you should take 194 bus. So from Jurong Bird Park it will take around maximum of 10 to 15 minutes to travel from Bird Park, that is Jurong Bird Park, to Boon Lay. So from Boon Lay you can get bus to various places, and since you are in Boon Lay interchange you will also get an option to travel in Boon Lay MRT, because the Boon Lay interchange bus station and the Boon Lay MRT, that is the train metro station, is very next to each other. It will be a distance of just a 5 minutes walk from Boon Lay bus station to Boon Lay MRT. So once you board the bus from Jurong Bird Park, you will get down at Boon Lay interchange at a travel period of maximum of 20 minutes, and from there you can take many bus and you will get to have many bus options to travel from Boon Lay interchange, or you can simply go on board the train from Boon Lay MRT. Right now our bus has reached this Jurong Point Mall. So this is the place where our Boonley bus interchange is actually. So inside this mall you will be having the Boonley bus interchange bus station. So where you can where you can get bus to many places in Singapore. So that's where our bus is going towards. Right now we are in Boonley interchange and you are looking at the display board of various bus routes over here. So from this Boonley area you can get bus to any area, specific areas only, and if you want further more connectivity you can travel to Boonley Metro, that is MRT. So right now we have boarded a bus to Bukit Batok. So from Boonley we are going to travel to Bukit Batok. So this travel time will be maximum of 30 minutes. So you can also ask the bus driver how many minutes will it take to travel to your required destination, because the bus driver will be knowing the accurate time when will the bus go to your destination. So you can simply go to him and ask him. So we have deboarded the bus at this Bukit Batok stop. So we got down at this Bukit Batok stop, and from here we are going to this West Mall, which is located in Bukit Batok. So it's just 5 minutes walk from this bus stop. Right now the time is around evening 5 o'clock, and this is how the sunlight will be looking like if it's a cloudy day. And if it's a sunny day, then the sunlight will be up till 7 o'clock, and it will be at a high temperature. So better to come out only during the cloudy days, because it will be good to have this kind of sunlight over here, just a cloudy day. And now we are looking at the side entrance of this West Mall. So this West Mall is connected to the Bukit Batok MRT station. So if you want to travel to any kind of destination, I mean to any places, to any nook and corner of Singapore, you have to get into MRT, any MRT. If you get into any MRT, you can travel to any places. So that's the MRT, and that's the Bukit Batok MRT station. So from here you can travel to any places wherever you want. So opposite, now we are looking at Bukit Batok, mall. This is West Mall. So thank you for watching my video, and if you have any kind of doubts, do comment in the comment section, and please like my video and click on the bell icon to receive further more notifications whenever I post new videos in the upcoming future of my YouTube channel. And once again, I thank you everybody for watching my channel.